Here's a 60-second video marketing tip to help give your 2022 a little jumpstart. First, don't make video marketing one of your New Year's resolutions, because if you're like most of us, New Year's resolutions tend to be a list of things that we really ought to do and seldom actually do. Instead, do something way more powerful. Make a declaration. This year, 85% of all web traffic is going to be people watching video. Nobody's reading blog posts anymore. Your prospects are watching video as they make buying decisions. Your happy customers can easily share video with their friends on social media. Don't miss out because you're gonna get around to it. You've got plenty to say. Take the camera out of your pocket, press record, smile, say it, share it. Like everything in life, it might feel a little bit awkward at first. So what? You'll get better at it over time. While your competition's sitting on the sidelines, you'll begin to shine online. A video about simple stuff. Just say hello, show off your place, introduce your people, show off the thing that you do, give us a little tip, tell us a little story. Then post it and share it. Simple. In business, this is the year for video. Your year. Would you like a little support? Learn about our next 21-day video marketing jumpstart at socialjumpstart.com/join. And I'll see you next time.